Yo, what's up guys? If you're into trading, especially crypto or forex, you've probably been searching for the one indicator that actually works. Well, today, I'm gonna share you something that is really good. It's called Gainzago V2 Alpha. I've been using it for a year now. And let me tell you, this trading indicator is a lifesaver. Let's take a look at the chart. Gainzago V2 Alpha is a smart trading indicator built for TradingView. It can help you catch high probability entries and exits with insane accuracy. Whether you're scalping, swing trading, or even day trading, this indicator adapts to your style. What makes it different? Gainzago V2 Alpha doesn't lag and doesn't repaint. And as you can see, Gainzago V2 Alpha giving me the exact buy and sell signals in real time. I tested it on crypto, forex, and other markets, even on different time frames in 1 hour, 15 minutes, and even 5 minutes. It's really accurate. When I follow the buy and sell signals, I get a lot of wins. It's not perfect, but it's way better than the ones I used before. Honestly, I struggled before finding this best trading indicator. I tried so many free indicators at first, like MACD, RSI, UTBot, and even the Chandelier exit, but none of them worked well. They were nothing compared with Gainzago V2 Alpha. And the best part, Gainzago V2 Alpha is super beginner friendly. You don't need to be a pro to understand the signals. If it says buy, you can now enter the trade. If it says sell, you can now exit the trade. Clean and easy. What makes it even better is that it also shows you the TP or the take profit and SL or the stop loss price levels. You can see right on the chart. So you already have a target where you can secure your trades and the safety point to limit your losses. That's a big help, especially if you're someone who struggles with risk management. So now guys, I'm gonna teach you on how to add this insanely accurate trading indicator. I'm gonna remove this first. And now guys, you just need to go to tradingview.com and create a free account. And now, if you are on the TradingView, you can go to Indicators tab and search for Gainzago V2 Alpha. And then add it to your chart and then boom! You can now get buy and sell signals in real quick. And guys, you can copy my settings. There you go. Just copy these settings, guys. By the way, guys, if you don't have access to this accurate trading indicator, just go to the description below. I'm gonna put the link there. Or go to gainzalgo.com and get Gainzalgo V2 and choose the Alpha Best version. This is not just for beginners only. Even if you already have experience, Gainzago V2 Alpha will make your trading smoother. You save time, your chart stays clean, and your decision making gets faster. It removes the guesswork. You see the entry, the TP zone, and the SL zone. You follow it, and that's it. Simple.